ReAgent manufactures laboratory water in many different volumes, including 25-litre containers and 1,000-litre IBCs. And if you require a bespoke volume, we can help with that too. Our lab water is officially called Laboratory Water Grade 3. This type of pure water meets the government specification BSEN ISO 3696 and is intended for laboratory use only. It's typically used in analytical work and testing and to prepare reagents and solutions, as well as in general laboratory applications, such as in pH buffer solutions. Lab-grade water is also used to feed other water systems like laboratory taps. ReAgent's Grade 3 lab water meets strict quality standards. ReAgent has multiple ISO quality accreditations, and our lab water is quality tested so you get consistent purity and safety. If you want to join the global companies that buy laboratory and other forms of purified water from ReAgent, please contact us today.